Welcome back everybody. So this week's video we have got a piece of cherry on the lathe and we are going to start turning it around and we are going to make a wine glass from it. So we're roughing it out now with a mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools just to get it round. And now we're going to start by putting a tenon on with the mid-size rougher so we can hold it in the chuck, and we're going to start by flattening it off even more. There's the mid-sized detailer just to match the angles of the jaws, and we're going to take that little nubbin off at the end. Alright, we've got it flipped back round into the chuck now, and we're going to start once again with the mid-size rougher, and we're just going to flatten it off again. Just flattening off the top. Here's the mid-size finisher, and we're going to start by shaping the cup of the glass. Went a little bit narrow at the top there, but we're going to sort that in a minute. There we go. Take it down a little bit with a rougher, and we're going to take out some of the ridges there with the rougher as well. Switching hands, come around the bottom of the cup.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
And there we go. Alright, so now we've got a forcing a bit, and we're just going to drill out to almost depth. Bit of slow-mo. Bit of compressed air. Turn the light on this time, and we're going to start by hollowing it out with the number 1 hollower. Takes no time at all to do it with this tool. Absolutely fantastic. And there we go. A bit of compressed air again. Move the tool rest. So I'd already sanded and finished the inside and brought up the tailstock with a cone centre on into it, and we're going to start shaping the stem and the base now, and we're going to do that with the number 1 hollower. working on the base now, and back to the stem. Back to the base, and we're just going to make a little mark there with the parting tool. There we go. So now we're on to some finishing. Okay, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 with clean spore abrasives. There we go. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Some professional sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. If you'd like to use any of this, you can get it from Northside Custom Crafts in the USA and Axminster Tools in the UK. There will be links in the description. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never. There we go. And some gloss finishing wax from Hampshire Sheen. If anyone's interested in using any Hampshire Sheen products, there will also be a link down to that in the description. Just wipe it all over, make sure you get nice even coverage. You wait for the vapours to evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and then buff it in. Being careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just wiped on. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. There you go. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. Alright, we're just going to part it off now, and we have a finished wine glass made from cherry. There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, share it your friends, share it your family, share it your enemies if you like, and until next week, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.